Hello all, welcome to Naroj Masters Academy. Our daily current affairs including GS and GK. The first question. Who is Sujata Saunik, Maharashtra's first female chief secretary? Let us see about Sujata Saunik. According to reports, Sujata Saunik is the first woman in Maharashtra history to be named chief secretary. In a ceremony on June 30th, she officially took over from Nitin Kharir in this important position. The next question. India wins T20 World Cup 2024. BCCI announced rupees 125 crore prize. India's cricket team won the T20 World Cup, breathing south in a historic win. It was their first title in 13 years. It hit the effect in an exciting final that took place in Barbados. The next question. Indian Army deploys indigenous 4G mobile base station. Indian military communication technology gets better on its own in a historic move. The Indian Army recently got its first 4G mobile base station made in India. The next question. Researchers develop anti insecticide fabric that neutralizes pesticides. The Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine, that is INSTEM, in Bengaluru, has come up with a revolutionary solution, a fabric that kills insects. Pesticides that are based on organophosphates are neutralized by this cloth. The next question. Indian Navy joins world largest naval exercise, that is RIMPAC. As a participant in the Rim of Pacific Exercise 2024, the Indian Navy has made a strong statement in the world of military exercise. This exercise is the world's biggest international maritime warfare exercise, and it takes place in Hawaii with a huge group of troops from around the world. The next question. What is Snowball malware? As more people use mobile banking, they are enjoying never before seen levels of convenience when handling their money. But this change has also catch the attention of hackers who want to steal private user data. Promon, a cybersecurity company, recently found a new danger called Snowball malware. This malware targets Android device to steal banking information. The next question. North Korea fires missiles mid US South Korea drills. The military of South Korea reported that North Korea fired off two ballistic missiles. This happened just one day after North Korea said it would react offensively and overwhelmingly to a new military exercise led by the US, that including South Korea and Japan. The next question. What is TISTA Treaty? What is TISTA Treaty? TESTA Treaty. What is TESTA Treaty? In June 2023, when Sheikh Hussein, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, paid a statement visit to India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that a technical team would go to Bangladesh to talk about how to protect and control the Tista River. The Tista Water Sharing Pact, has been a point of contention between India and Bangladesh. For over a decade, this brought is back to the public attention. The next question. What is Korea Balloon War? South Korea activists sent posters and USB drives with South Korean media into the North Korea in May 2024. This started the last balloon war around between the two countries. The group called Fighters for Free North Korea did this, and North Korea responded by sending trash and maybe even manure filled balloons back into South Korea. The next question. World Bank grants $1.5 billion for India's green energy push. The World Bank has agreed to lend India $1.5 billion to help it move towards a low carbon energy future. The static funding will help create green hydrogen and electrolyzers and make it easier for the countries to use renewable energy. The next question. What is PIN code MH1718? India set up its first post office in Antarctica, Dakshin Gangotri, in 1984. Within a year, more than 1,000 letters, 10,000 letters and mail had been posted and cancelled at the post office. In 1988 to 89, Dakshin Gangotri submerged in ice and subsequently decommissioned after branch was set up at Maitri's Research Station in Antarctica on January 26, 1990. The next question. What is Dwarka Express in the news? Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Haryana section of the Dwarka Expressway, marking a significant milestone in India's infrastructure development. The 19-kilometer segment constructed at a cost of 4,100 crores is a part of the country's first 8-lane expressway project, aimed at important traffic flow and reducing congestion between Delhi and Gurugram on National Highway 13 and 48. The next question. Haryana removed state scheme of farmer aid scheme. The government of Haryana recently made a major change to the Mukhyamantri Kisan Evam Mazdoor Jeevan Suraksha Yojana, a program that helps farmers and farm workers get money. These changes will took effect after a recent government meeting get rid of these ages limits that were on the scheme's recipient before. The next question. India tops global remittance with $125 billion in 2023. In India to 2023, in 2023, India achieved the highest record of remittance inflow globally, amassing USD 125 billion. Strategic economic deals and strong job makers in other countries, especially in the US, UK, and Singapore, were the main things that caused the rise. One important mutual agreement with the United Arab, that is UAE, stood out. It made it easier for the two countries to use their currencies in trade. A small quiz question for you. What is the name of technique which uses the disparities to advance climate objectives? The options are greening the time, extending the time, delaying the time, overarching the time. Comment your answer in section box.